You ready? You ready to get spooky?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Just Jordan Things, where I do spooky crafts and you watch.
I do spooky crafts.
You also do spooky crafts.
Yeah.
I have an unwilling participant here.
I'm not unwilling.
You haven't started the crafts yet. We'll see.
Well, it's your craft. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. It's the flow.
Okay, this will not be a tutorial, if you were wondering.
Flow. The wrapper.
If you would like to follow along in this chaos, you are more than welcome to. Do not assume that I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to properly do this, because I have no idea what I'm doing. This is for pure entertainment.
Look at the donuts they have on here. How cool.
First thing we're gonna do is this spooky craft. And I saw it on TikTok and then I did it, and then we're gonna do it again together. And the first thing is you get mason jars, and then you blow up a balloon and you put it on top of the mason jar. And that's gonna be the size of the head of your ghost. So that's how big you want your ghost head to be? That's gigantic.
Is it?
No, that's too small. He's gonna have a knob head.
What does that mean? I don't understand what
Okay.
we're doing. You have given no instructions on what the body of the ghost looks like.
It's gonna be freeform. You're gonna drape it over. You dip it in starch and then you drape it over.
Oh yeah, this is fine. My guy's got a little doop-a-doop going on. Oh, he's flying! Look, he can't stay. He's flying.
You're gonna take this one since I ran out of cheesecloth.
These are completely different materials.
I need plates. This is gonna get messy. Don't cut before you know what you're doing.
Give some instruction.
We'll put them on. What?
Ooh.
Is that your Halloween costume now? All right, put it on the plate.
Yes.
On the plate.
Worst teacher ever.
Okay. We forgot the arms. Pipe cleaners.
Do we have pipe cleaners? Pumpkin dance.
You might want to double or triple or quadruple layer it.
Why did you give me this one?
Here. My head's too big anyway. You use the pipe cleaners like this and you make little arms. See?
I wanted blue.
The hat is blue, honey.
Oh. Do you have one? You didn't have one.
I have a ghost.
Nice.
Thank
you for that.
I gave you mine.
I don't like this one. This sucks.
I'm gonna tape it. Maybe I can tape this down. Hold on the tape.
You give me a chance to use the tape.
Look we're getting somewhere. This is working. This is
me.
great. Oh, you want it to be front and back, like 360. Don't spill the starch.
Can you just pour starch on top of it?
No, you dunk it in starch and then.
Dunk it in starch? Why don't you just put it on top?
Oh, you can.
Let gravity help you out.
Okay, you try that way, I'll try this way. You want to bring this out over your.
Sure.
Oh no. I regret.
You also used all the starch.
We have a whole top more.
Alright. That's it, right? You just mold them and then you're good?
And then you let it sit, yeah.
Well, yeah.
His head is too bulbous. Okay, his arms aren't gonna stick out.
Usually put it in.
Not that much.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, yeah, this is definitely working very well.
We got spooky.
Oh, God. This is a mess.
I did it. They look so much better in the video. Did you bring it out?
Yeah. This is way different material than this. I'm telling you. It'll work. It'll work.
This is what it's supposed to look like in the end. I don't think ours are gonna look good. That's okay, we're moving on to the next spooky craft. We'll just move this mess. Oh, we're gonna do the pumpkins.
Oh, I'm not good at those.
What do you mean? Okay, look, it doesn't have to look good. Look, see, look at his face. Look how sad and desolate he looks. This is what we're going
He doesn't
for.
look sad and desolate.
Look at the pumpkin face. It's just like
Irv's just living. Don't be assuming his mood. He's just living.
That's what we're going for, okay? We want to be matching.
Do we know what we're even using?
No. Whoa! You're just grabbing knives?
Who's grabbing knives?
I don't understand how they just expect people to have hot knife tools. Okay, we gotta figure out how to get it on our heads first. That's step one.
I don't even know if that's possible. Bigger markers, we gotta start tracing some stuff.
I'm not gonna trace anything.
All right.
I'm just
gonna use these.
Oh my god! Don't do it towards. No, I hate this. This is terrible. This is no danger.
This is what we have.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Then we'll do it later. Get an
that.
actual pumpkin carving
This
tools.
product is flammable. Sit down and enjoy this piece in quiet with me.
Or did you get tools for 2 people or just one at a time? And I sit here and watch. I don't know if this is possible.
I bent it.
Okie dokie. Okay.
I'm anxious.
It's not really working as a thing.
It's not a serrated blade. Look, this is working. I'm getting it. I might also start a fire with it, but it's okay. Do you want to start making Pom Pom Spiders?
Yeah.
It's
gonna take like a half hour. No.
I'm dedicated.
Alrighty, what do we got here?
I have a feeling you're gonna enjoy that significantly less. This is my workout for the day. It feels like I'm doing something, but I'm actually doing nothing. Except making a mess. I don't think we should put our faces in these.
Okay.
Okay. I think we should paint these.
Okay.
I'll be right back. I don't have paintbrushes. I have paintbrushes!
Yeah, there's no.
How many pipe cleaners did you add to that?
4. The spiders have 8 legs. Makes sense, huh?
It's a spider. Okay. He's cute.
He's trying. He's having a bad hair day.
So, if you were to describe the instructions to the people watching, what would your instructions
I mean, the instructions themselves aren't hard. It's easy. It just does not turn out the way the diagram shows. Yeah, definitely make sure you're like centered when you do the pipe cleaner wrapping. I think I was a little bit off center.
Why are their legs so much longer than their body?
Because daddy long legs.
So what's the dealio here?
You wrap around 4 pipe cleaners.
Okay.
Around this, you can take the
String off.
string off. Yeah. It just says twist, so you can do it as many times as you want.
The string's in there, and then it doesn't show the string in there.
I don't ever show the string. You can
The
use
string
this.
is right here.
No, that's cut a suitable length of string and loop, so you can hang this later. That has nothing to do with the actual.
That's not that string. That's not the suitable string.
It can be.
Okay. Well,
We have other string though too.
he just goes back.
Oh, okay.
He just wants to live a squished life.
Maybe just a baby spider. Do.
Stupidest craft. How does it get poofy? Who are these people making these poofy spiders out here?
Oh, they did like way cooler legs than I did.
You bend the ends.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if it was your job to just make stock photos of all of these?
They're pretty dope day job, honestly.
I hate this right now. I am miserable, and if I had to do this
That's what you wanted to do.
to get paid,
That guy's standing.
what's that scene from Harry Potter where the Boggart turns into a spider and then he like puts them on roller skates? That's what that looks like.
Yeah, what was that spell? Ridiculous, or whatever.
Oh my god. Oh!
Is it ridiculous?
Ridiculous. With a DK.
Did you know locks? It's one of the oldest words.
Locks?
Yeah.
See, okay, how long would it take you to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 8 of these.
Like an hour.
This is a full day job. This picture right here is 8 hours worth of work.
I don't think it's 8 hours.
8 hours, Grant.
My second one looks better. Look at that crusty crab.
He looks like he's got a mouth in the middle, like a gaping hole through the entirety of his middle.
I also accidentally used 5 pipe cleaners on him. So
It's not a spider anymore. It's not an arachnid if it has 10
it
legs.
is not.
What is it?
It's a decapod.
You just made that word up.
I did. Hey Google,
No.
what's a decapod?
Don't invite her into this conversation.
According to Wikipedia, the Decapita or decapods are an order of crustaceans within the class Malacostropha, including many familiar groups, including crabs, lobsters, crayfish, shrimp, and prawns.
You just ripped off his whole body.
At least he's balanced on both sides now. You have done 3 in the time that I've tried to do 1.
Football time.
My spider blew your spider out of the
That's
freaking water.
good.
Yeah, it is. If I got Dozer back looking like this under your care, I would be devastated.
I'm creating an animal, not taking care of it.
I'm just saying.
All of my creatures have beauty within.
I don't know about that.
You're gonna be on paint mode. I cannot paint for the life of me.
You're gonna try.
I don't think so.
You're gonna make spooky little ghosts all over your pumpkin, and you're gonna like it. How many ghosts do I want to paint?
It's a great rhetorical question that I will not answer.
They're all gonna rate us on our spooky crafts.
My dope spiders, yo.
Is my 1 spider better than his 3 spiders? And is my
I like this guy.
spooky ghost guy better than his spooky ghost guy? And then is my...
You left. That's a disadvantage. That's not even a fair
Well,
question.
I offered 10 legs.
He looks like an evil creature of Rick and Morty.
He looks like he has a butt.
Sexy boy.
Why does he have a butt?
Why doesn't yours have a butt?
Because mine's a ghost grant. Ghosts don't poop. You know when you're just like painting and then you're like, I should stop here. It's done. I'm gonna ruin it.
Do
if
you have
I
any
keep
more
going.
colors?
You're not even listening to me. There's one little ghosty guy. Painting on a curved surface, not easy. This is like the same problem I have with my eyeliner every single day.
Girl, tell me about it.
How many comments is it gonna take for you to agree to let me do your makeup?
I want to do average. I have to make it worth it.
I don't know, 100? No, like 50?
Is that a real number? Or are you...
That's a real number, Grant! If you want a video of me doing Grant's makeup or Grant doing my makeup,
Oh.
I immediately regret it. I
want
regret
Daisy
saying
to
that.
do my makeup.
What's going on here?
You can see it. This guy is, I don't know, he looks like an evil creature. I had too much of this going on in my head where like, oh, that's how you make spiders, and that is not indeed how you would draw a spider.
Oh.
Or how I would draw a spider. But I tried, it kind of looks like a super buff crab. It looks like the little brain characters from your game.
It does look like the brain. I'm currently playing
And
Baldur's
then-
Gate 3.
And then we got 2 ghosts, and we got 2 pumpkins. Jeez, they're so fat. Oh my
Yeah.
god, giant smiley face.
Put it in the back so we can turn it around.
You don't want a happy guy?
No, I don't want your butt crabs. You're gonna scare away the children on Halloween.
You don't know me, girl.
I regret making this big of a ghost. I should have made smaller ghosts. You realize you're gonna have to do 2 coats.
Yeah, let's see. I think this will be fun.
Okay, we still need to go get pumpkins and put them on our heads. Because that's what I want to do for Halloween, I think. Because I'm gonna win the contest. Would you rather be spooky
I'm
moms
gonna do that. It's not a couple's costume.
or both mobs?
That's not a
And
couple's
Daisy could
costume.
be a caterpillar.
Saying we're both the same character is not a couple's costume.
My ghosts are getting bigger as I go. What's your favorite part of spooky season?
You.
Oh god, I messed it up. I keep messing it up. I just gotta stop it. I messed it up. You know what I really want? I want Gus the ghost. A pillow from Pottery Barn. That's a ghost.
How it goes.
Well, it's a different ghost pillow.
Right here. This is Gus.
That's not Gus.
This is 100%
That's not Gus.
It literally says under penalty of law, do not remove this tag from Gus.
It's not. Really?
I don't make rules.
Great.
I just
Go look
read
up
the
Gus. Go look up Gus. Gus the ghost.
Look at your pillow.
He's adorable.
Pretty cute.
Do you see how much he is?
Absolutely not.
Honey, he is a treasure. You're making a racket.
No, I made a ghost.
Right.
I'm not breaking rackets.
Stop putting dishes away is not part of the spooky crafts. And if you're wondering, this is why Grant is not in more videos with me, because he cannot sit down if he has nothing to do. What did I take you away from?
What do you think?
What? Oh, the TV?
Yeah, watching
Well, go watch football. I'm done with my pumpkin anyway. I messed up the last guy, but it's okay. I'll put him in the back. This is my pumpkin in all of its glory. I wish I had black paint. We don't have little pumpkins. Thank you for joining us for Spooky Crafts. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and you'll see more of whatever this was. Thanks for being here, honey.
You're welcome.